In this tutorial, we'll take a look at the bake settings in Shapespark and see how they affect the quality and performance of your scene. Let's start with sample count. First, you can see a scene baked with a low sample count. Notice shadows lack detail. Next, the same scene has been baked with a much higher sample count. The lighting is substantially better and the noise has been greatly reduced. The trade-off is that higher sample counts require longer bake times. Let's compare the two side by side. Now, let's talk about Lightmap resolution. Both scenes use the same lighting settings, but different Lightmap resolutions. First one is baked with Lightmap resolution of 25, and the second one with 150. Take a closer look at the shadows and smaller details. With a higher Lightmap resolution, shadows appear sharper and lighting transitions are more detailed. Lower resolutions can make shadows look softer and reduce the amount of detail captured in the baked lighting. Let's compare the two side by side. Keep in mind that increasing the Lightmap resolution also increases Lightmap size, memory usage, bake time, and scene loading time. Finding the right balance between sample count and Lightmap resolution will help you achieve the best visual quality while keeping your scene efficient.